Welcome back. It's time now for the Financial Week. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Aubyn Hill, says too few businesses are taking advantage of agencies designed to support their growth and expansion. He was speaking at the opening of Christmas in July on Thursday.
Scores of small and medium-sized businesses gather at the Jamaica Pegasus for the annual Christmas in July trade show. Of the 180 exhibitors, 120 are participating for the first time. They're hoping to, among other things, establish long-term relationships as they seek to expand their business. While acknowledging the usefulness of the trade show, Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Aubyn Hill, pointed to the underutilization of agencies like JAMPRO and JBDC established to help businesses expand their operations.
Use those before you go to a lawyer. You're going to save a lot of money, and the government, we use your taxpayers to give you the service. Go use it.
He also encouraged sellers to look beyond the local shores to expand their business.
Stop asking, how do I sell more in Jamaica? Just sell more. Don't ask anymore. And this is what you should say. This is the ask you must have. What does a buyer in Bogota, in Colombia, Lagos in Nigeria, Nairobi in Kenya, Singapore as we know, in Miami, and Atlanta and New York actually need, and can I be the one who supplies it?
He says there's a wealth of information about export prospects to include the gaps which need to be filled in the Caribbean, Africa, European, and Asian countries.
Countries that have successfully expanded their exports, studied their buyers first, built competitiveness, and position themselves deliberately. You're going to have to be purposeful about what you want to achieve. Jamaica's advantage is that our identity is already globally desired. My heavens, wherever I go, including where I just come from, Jamaica is sought out. When we speak, I promise you, people listen.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
To the foreign exchange market now, at the end of foreign exchange trading, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $159.65. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.23. The pound is going for $213.71, while the euro is selling for an average $185.37. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 2,171 points, while the junior market index advanced by 7 points. Advancing shares included Productive Business Solutions, US dollar ordinary shares, Productive Business Solutions 9.25% US dollar shares, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Epley 7.25% preference shares, and MFS Capital Partners. Now to the losers, they were led by the Lab, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Radio Jamaica 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, and JPS 9.5% Preference Shares. 17 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas when we come back.